Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be making a video on Heron's formula, a maths concept from grade 9 CBSE and CERT India. Now let's get started. Let me tell you that we use Heron's formula to calculate the area of triangles, where you cannot use this formula of half into base into height. I am sure you have heard of this in your earlier classes. Let's talk about the calculation of height of an equilateral triangle. Why are we calculating the height? Let me remind you, half into base into height, right? We require the height. Once you calculate the height, you're easily going to be able to calculate the area because it is half into base into the height. And once you have gotten the height, it's easier to do so. But even in an isosceles triangle, you can calculate the height simply. And after the height, as you know, you can put it in the formula of half into base into height to find out the area. And now we are going to be talking about calculating the height of a scalene triangle, which is not possible, which is why we use the Heron's formula. The Heron's formula is one way of calculating the area of this triangle. We can use it for any kind of triangle, not just a scalene triangle. Now, as you saw in the previous slide, there was an S, an A B and a C, which was representing the formula. Let me tell you what they mean. A, B and C are the three sides of the triangle. For example, I'm drawing this triangle over here. So if you can see, this is side A, this is side B, and this last one is the side C. Now, S refers to the half of the perimeter of the triangle, which can be calculated by adding A, B and C and dividing it by 2 actually. 2. Now, that is a very simple idea which can be used. So, S will be A plus B plus C whole upon 2, and you can calculate this. Let's draw a question. Now, using Heron's formula, which is A is equal to the area is equal to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now, you know this is A, this is B and this is C. So, to calculate the S, we have already seen over here that the S is equal to 6. Let me tell you how. Because 5 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 12. 12 upon 2 is 6. So, we will use the S as 6 over here, which is over here, and over here. Now, this is simple because F into S is A. A is 3. So, 6 minus 3. 6 into 6 minus 3 into 6 minus B, which is 4. 6 minus 4 into 6 minus C, which is 5. So, 6 minus 5. When you multiply them all, you will find 6 into 3 into 2 into 1, because 6 is carried down forward, 6 minus 3 is 3, 6 minus 4 is 2, and 6 minus 5 is 1. And this is all under a root. If you guys know how, you might have noticed, it's all under a root, and you have to see root 6 into 6, root 36 is actually just 6 feet square or 6 square feet. Now, you guys must have understood what this is, and over here it says feet because the unit of each of these is feet, and if it was centimeter, meter or kilometer, it would have been centimeter square, kilometer square or meter square. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys like, subscribe and share.